Welcome back, everyone. Today, we journey through time to explore significant events that shaped our world. In 1138, a devastating earthquake struck Aleppo, leaving a lasting impact on the region. Fast forward to 1899, when the Second Boer War ignited in South Africa, marking a pivotal moment in history. Then, in 1906, the San Francisco Board of Education controversially segregated Asian students, a decision later reversed by President Theodore Roosevelt. Finally, in 1911, the Wuchang Uprising in China sparked a revolution that ultimately led to the fall of the Qing dynasty. Thank you for joining me on this historical exploration. If you enjoyed this, please consider following for more fascinating insights.